Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing both of the Triple Dent races. Now Triple Dent, it's a spearmint flavoured dent filler, so kind of like retread because that's tyre deodorant basically. Triple Dent that actually appeared in Inside Out, if you didn't know. But honestly, if I'm honest, I'm not a huge fan of Inside Out. It's alright, 5 out of 10 for me. Now, the two races here are Terry Kargas and Cam Spinner. Let's start with Terry. In Cars 3, Terry competes in the 2016 Piston Cup season alongside the likes of Lightning McQueen, Cal Weathers, Bobby Swift and Brick Yardley. However, as Jackson Storm makes his debut in the Piston Cup, racing teams spark interest in having next-generation race cars compete for them. Terry most likely retires and get replaced by a next-gen racer called Cam Spinner. Now, the number was originally going to be 21, but that became Blinker's number, so then this became 31. Now, Terry has the same body as Brick Yardley, Axel Fish and EA in the film, but his diecast uses out of Cal Weathers, Capital Motors Mark II. This was corrected for the 2019 re-release, but this was released before 2019, so it's the Cal Weathers model. So not sure why Mattel did that, but I'm not gonna complain. And plus in 2019 he also changed it a little. Changed it up a little bit. He's also named after Cars 3 visual effects artist Terry Kargas. Nice pun. So, let's take a look at his design. As I can see, this nice blue colour. Number 31, Triple Dent. Now, its contingency sponsors are the same as all the other Cars 3 stock cars. Obviously, as I just said, number changed to 31. Then, light year tyres, white rims. Got some chips here and there, but I had them when I was young, so you can't really blame me, can you? Here we go. He looks alright. He looks a little bland, actually. I think he looks a little bland. Like Dino Draftsky. I think he looks. Similar to Dino Draftsky, he looks quite bland. See, Triple Dent, spearmint flavoured dent filler. Yeah, you get the point. Still, brown eyes, which is probably accurate, but I'm not gonna complain. Now we move on to the next gen, Cam Spinner. And, let's see, his eye colour, for some reason, is grey in the movie, green in the artwork, and blue on the diecast. Why? Don't ask me. His colour, light blue cyan and white, which is quite nice actually. I actually prefer Cam to Terry. Now, let's see. In Cars 3, Cam competes in the 2016 season of Piston Cup. He joined the Triple Dent racing team, serving as a permanent replacement for the previous racer, Terry Kargas. He debuted at Heartland Motor Speedway, finishing in 18th. Later, Cam competed in the 2017 season at the Florida 500 race at the Florida International Superspeedway, where he started from 23rd position and moved his way up to 15th. During the race, Spinner causes a crash by pushing himself too hard, trying to get faster and past the other racers, blowing his rear tyre in the process. Just like how McQueen blew out his rear tyre during the final Los Angeles 500 race at the Los Angeles International Speedway. He spun out of control and took out Tim Treglis and George Newman. They slid across the track and hit other cars. Spinner soon sliced towards the wall, hitting Steve LePage in the process. After that, he went airborne and hit Harvey Rodcat where he got back on the ground. He was severely damaged and got a DNF. Due to the accident, a restart had to be called. Poor guy. Cam Spinner is now, his exact car model is unknown, but he resembles a next-gen racer, SB9. He has a light blue to cyan livery with white stripes on his bonnet, spoiler, roof, and side backs with a racing number 31 painted on his roof and doors. Now, he was released quite a few times, like obviously, it was first released in 2019, which, let's see, that's 2 years after Cars 3 was released. Then, I think he got released again in 2022 in a 2-pack with Chase Race Lot. Now, let's look at his design close up. Obviously, as I said, blue, cyan, white. Here we go, this time only 3 contingency sponsors. Combustor, Carbon Fiber, and Synergy. And the 31, nice little, probably meant to be sparkles. Right here. They're probably right here. And then there's only 1 or 2 at the back, and white rims, just like Terry. And look at that, Triple Dent, 31. The yellow rookie stripes, which, obviously all the other Nextions have, because they were rookies at the time. Here we go, Triple Dent, nice little, well, it's not a lightning bolt, is it? Because, yeah. Actually, it might be a mint leaf, or half of it anyway. But, well, there hasn't been any confirmation from Pixar, so, I don't know. Well, I guess that's pretty much all there is to say. See you in the next video. Goodbye!